Really huge news today. There's finally been an investigation in the Seth Rich murder. A private investigator was hired by Seth Rich's family, and they found out something recently. Seth Rich was in contact with Wikileaks before he died. Now, the story that they've been going with was it was a botched robbery. He got shot in the back and nobody took anything from him, so it's clearly not a robbery. It sounds much more like an assassination. A man named Rod Wheeler, a former police homicide detective, is running a parallel investigation. He said when he talked to people at the police department, they looked him in the eye and said, "Rod, we've been told to stand back down on this. We can't offer you any more information." Wow, that's pretty sketchy. On top of this new evidence that just came out, Wikileaks recently shared that Guccifer 2.0, the Russian hacker that they were talking about, said that the name of his leaker was Seth. It doesn't really seem like Russia hacked the election and Russia hacked the DNC. It seems kind of like Seth Rich, who was a DNC employee, took that information, leaked it to WikiLeaks, and then got assassinated. Of course, you won't hear that on the news though, because most of the mainstream news organizations, they work as a giant PR team and a shield for corrupt politicians. Make sure you share this story with anybody who is concerned about Seth Rich and his murder. Will the DC police and the FBI take this new evidence and finally launch an investigation into Seth Rich's murder? Or will they continue to act like it was a botched robbery when there's now a ridiculous amount of evidence that he was the actual leaker and that some political factions may have wanted him killed for doing that? Much love, have an amazing day, and let's not let this evidence go unnoticed.
Watch me living out the system, yeah, I stretch like every day. I be all about my fitness, keep my mind about the stress, so I always beat my sickness. I don't trust no corporation, cause they lie like politicians. I don't